Hey guys, how's it going? Arshia VO, aka the Great Chia Pet, here, back again to do voices for you. This time, instead of doing voices, I'm gonna be making animal noises. Enjoy! Wow, this is gonna be a really weird video, isn't it? Sounds like when I get up in the morning. Arshia, get up! I'm kidding, no one ever tells me to get up in the morning. Never doing that again! Enjoy. I do this for you. Oh God. No, you guys should like see my stomach while I'm doing that. It goes in and I go every time. Ow. Duck? Donald Duck? Duck? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me making random animal noises for 2 minutes, I think. I don't know how much it's gonna be when I edit it. So, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this every so often. And I hope you have a beautiful day. Goodbye!
Oh my God, that video was awesome! You guys should all like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this all the time. Oh my God! It was awesome! Come on, click the button. God damn it, you fucking fag! Like and comment and subscribe! Also, click the videos above. They're awesome too. Like seriously, you should so watch this guy. He's so cool. They respect my authority! Ma'am, they're not liking, commenting, and subscribing!